Moving to or from college can be stressful, especially with tight schedules, limited time, and changing plans. Whether you're moving into a dorm, relocating to off-campus housing, or transitioning between semesters, having reliable college movers in Chicago can make all the difference. Student moving services in Chicago are designed for flexibility and speed. Movers help organize your move quickly, whether it's a dorm room, shared apartment, or small studio. With same-day or scheduled options, you can move on your timeline, even during busy campus seasons. Professional college movers provide everything needed for a smooth relocation. Services include packing and unpacking, furniture disassembly, safe transport of electronics and personal items, and efficient loading and unloading, all handled with care and precision. Chicago college moves come with unique challenges: busy streets, limited parking, elevators, and strict building regulations. Experienced movers understand campus logistics across areas like downtown, Lincoln Park, Hyde Park, and Lakeview, helping avoid delays and keep your move organized. Choosing licensed and insured college movers ensures your belongings are handled safely and your move stays on schedule. Better Life Moving offers affordable pricing, flexible scheduling, and experienced crews, making student moving in Chicago simple, fast, and stress-free.